Hello everyone, welcome to Prevent a Solution here. Given this nice algebra problem, which is a times b, this is equal to 20, let's call this equation 1. B times c, this is 30, let's call this equation 2. And c times a, this is 40, and let's call this equation 3. So what is a plus b plus c? Okay, so if it is your first time you come across videos from this channel, kindly hit that subscription button so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's solve this problem. The first thing here, let's multiply equation 1 multiplying by equation 2 times equation 3, which is essentially equal to a times b, b times c, and c times a, and this is equal to 20 multiplying by 30 multiplying by 40. So here we'll have a squared multiplying by b squared multiplying by c squared, and this is equal to, now here we have 2 times 3, here is 6 times 4, this is 24, 1, 2, 3, this is actually 24,000. So in the second case here, we have a squared, b squared, c squared, this is equal to 24,000. So let's get the square root on both sides so that we can get the value of a, b, and c. So this is equal to square root of 24,000. So let's get the LCM of 24,000 as follows. So here, let's divide here by 2. So 24,000 divided by 2, this is 12,000. 12,000 divided by 2, this is actually 6,000. Then 6,000 divided by 2, this is 3,000. Then 3,000 divided by 2, this is actually 1,500. Then 1,500 divided by 2, this is actually 750. And then here, 750 divided by 2, this is actually 375. And then from here, let's divide here by 3. 375 divided by 3, this is actually equal to 125. And 125 divided by 5, this is actually equal to 25. 25 divided by 5, this is actually equal to 5. And 5 divided by 5, this is 1. So now from here, we can express a, b, and c equal to the square root of, now 64, we have 64 multiplied by, here we have 5 times 3, which is 15, times 5 times 5, which is 25. So therefore, we'll have a, b, and c. This is equal to the square root of 64. This is actually equal to 8, multiplying by square root of 25, which is actually 5, multiplying by square root of 15. So therefore, a, b, c, this is equal to 8 times 5, which is 40, square root of 15. Now from here, if you recall from here, we have that AB, this is equal to 20. We have BC, this is actually equal to 30. And C times A, this is equal to 40. So let's solve for the values of A, B, and C by following these steps. Now, given that AB and ABC is equal to 40 square root of 15, let's solve for the value of C by substituting AB. So we have that AB is equal to 20, so we'll have 20 times C. This is equal to 40 square root of 15. So let's divide both sides by 20. So that now the value of C here, this is equal to 2 square root of 15. That is the value of C. So let's proceed to solve for the value of A. We have A, B, C is equal to 40 square root of 15. So let's substitute the value of BC. We have A times BC. BC is equal to 30. So this is equal to 40 square root of 15. So let's divide both sides by 30. And therefore the value of A here is equal to 4 square root of 15 divided by 3. Let's proceed again here. We have ABC is equal to 40 square root of 15. We have A times C equal to 40. So let's substitute this. We'll have B times AC, which is 40. This is equal to 40 square root of 15. So let's divide both sides by 40, so that now the value of b is equal to square root of 15. Okay, so let's proceed to calculate a plus b plus c. Okay, let's solve this. Now we have the value of a equal to 4 square root of 15 divided by 3. We have b equal to square root of 15. We have c equal to 2 square root of 15. So the question is, what is a plus b plus c? So in this case, substituting the values of a, we'll have 4 square root of 15 divided by 3 plus b, which is square root of 15, plus c, which is 2 square root of 15. So this is our number, so this is our over 1. So the LCM here, the LCM is equal to 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1 times 4. This is actually 4 square root of 15 plus 3 divided by 1, that is 3 times square root of 15. So it will be 3 square root of 15 plus 3 divided by 1, that's 3 times 6. So the times 2, so it's 6 square root of 15. So here we'll have, this is 4, square root of 15 is common here. So we can have square root of 15. Then we'll have 4 plus 3 plus 6. All this divided by 3. So in this case, we'll have square root of 15. Okay, 4 plus 3, this is actually equal to 7. 7 plus 6, this is actually equal to 13. All this divided by 3. So the solution here, okay, that is a plus b plus c. This is equal to 13 square root of 15 divided by 3. So this is the solution. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe.